dears. Today we will be revising chapter 13 from geometry section. The chapter was understanding quadrilaterals. It is not about only quadrilaterals, it is about all the polygons of their interior angles, exterior angles, etc. Is it? Now, and then special type of quadrilaterals when it is trapezium, rhombus and all. Now, before we start the chapter, we should know certain formulae, certain rule. That is, the first is sum of interior angles of polygon. Whichever polygon it is, n minus 2 into 180 degree. Sum of exterior angle of polygon is constant 360 degree. This could be 2n minus 4 into 90 degree also, doesn't matter. Now always exterior angle is 360. If it is triangle, does not matter. If it is 30gon, does not matter. Sum of exterior angle always it will be 360 degree. Clear? Now n represents the sides of polygon, where n is equal to number of sides of a polygon. Understood? Okay dear. So how many sides we have? It depends. The interior angle, sum of interior angle, sum of interior angle, not exterior angle. It depends on the number of sides of a polygon. Now, if you have the sums, if they have asked you how many sides it would be, or the side is given, what would be the sum of interior angle? As in question number 3, they have asked, in exercise 13A, question number 3, they have given the sides and they have asked you sum of interior angle of polygon. Just that is, look at question number 3, exercise 13A. Exercise 13A, question number 3, it has given 14 sides. So what would be the sum of interior angles? Sum of interior angles would be n minus 2 into 180 degree, or n we have 14 minus 2 into 180 degree, or 12 into 180 degree. 12 zeros are 0, 12 8s are 96, 12 1s are 12 and 9, 2160 degree will be the sum of interior angle. Now the question number 4, here the sum is given. You have to find the number of sides, is it? In number 4, you can see the sum of interior angle is given 1620 degrees. So sides would be, side is equal to what? So the same formula we are using, n minus 2 into 180 degree is equal to 1620 degree, we can write. Or n minus 2 is equal to 1620 divided by 180, 18 nines are, or n is equal to 9 plus 2, n is equal to 11 sides. So polygon is having 11 sides. This is vice versa sum I have written. Okay. Now, here we have all the questions, maximum the questions are based on this interior angle and exterior angle. Now how to find each interior angle and each exterior angle? Each interior angle, is n minus 2 into 180 degree by n, and each exterior angle is 360 degree by n. Is it? These are the formula for each. Now, here it is given, if question number 12 you can see, if each interior angle of regular polygon is 162 degree, what sides it has. Now, see here. Question number 12 from 13A. 13A, 12. Each interior angle, अच्छा, interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180 degree at the vertex. Okay. Now, question 13A, question number 12, it says each interior angle is 162 degree. See, if we go with this formula, we can get N. Or the simpler way, if we get exterior angle, so each exterior angle, would be 180 minus 162 or 18 degree. So we know 360 degree by N is equal to each exterior angle. So 360 degree by N is equal to 18 degree, or N is equal to 360 by 18. 20 sides. So these are the things we use. These are the simple tricks we use. Okay. For this exercise. So now in exercise 13B, it has given only for the quadrilaterals. As all of us we know, the sum of interior angle of quadrilateral is 360 degree, and you have given the figures here where you have to find the value of the angles of quadrilateral. You can see question number 5. Here it is given the angles of quadrilateral are in the ratio of 3:4:5:6. Find the angles of quadrilateral. Here we have the ratio. Exercise 13B. This is related to the quadrilaterals only. Exercise 13B. Ratio between the interior angles is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 number. 3:4:5:6. So the sum of ratio would be 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. 18. So the first sum of all the angles, sum of interior angles of quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. So the first angle 3/18 into 360. Second angle 4/18 into 360. Third angle 5/18 into 360 degree. And the fourth angle is 6/18 into 360 degree. 120 degree. Like this we solve, we get the angles of quadrilateral. Okay. Now after that we have some special type of quadrilateral. Which are those special type of quadrilaterals? They are parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium, etc. Is it rectangle, rhombus, square, parallelogram, etc. Now we have certain properties related to this special quadrilaterals. As in parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Is it? Or in trapezium, sum of adjacent angle is 180 degree. So these are special properties we have for this special triangle quadrilaterals. So you should learn those properties first of all, then only we can solve the sums related to this special quadrilateral. Come to the exercise 13C. You can see the first question. It says ABCD is a parallelogram in which angle A is 95. Find the measure of each angle. Now, as we know, the parallelogram opposite angles are equal. 13C, if this is a parallelogram, is it? This angle is 95 degree, or maybe A, B, C, D. Angle A is 95 degree, given ABCD is a parallelogram in which angle A is 95 degree. So angle C also would be 95 degree. Opposite angles. Angle B is 180 degree minus 95 degree or 85 degree. Adjacent angles. So angle D also would be 85 degree. Why? Opposite angles. Opposite angle B. So these are the certain things, certain properties we should read. Then only we can solve this exercise. Now already we have done this. Apart from this, if you have any doubt related to this chapter, you can ask me in comment box. I'll be solving your doubts. Till then, you keep practicing. Read the properties of special quadrilaterals and all. If any type of query is required, you can ask me in comment box. Okay. Next day we'll be solving next exercise. New exercise maybe, because I think there is no need of revision more. And that construction what I have taught you, exercise chapter 17, only up to 10 you have to solve. You don't need to solve more than 10. I have taught you up to 10. All the constructions only 10, up to 10 only you have to solve. Chapter 17, constructions up to question number 10 has to be practiced. Not more than that. If you have any doubt related to construction up to 10, you can ask me in comment box. Okay. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you.